Yes guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Lineage OS 16 or Android 9 in your S3 New. So you have to install these two zip files. You can find link in description. The first one is Lineage OS 16 zip file. The second one is OpenGF zip file. And guys, this custom ROM is not fully stable. You may find some bugs. In my case, my SIM card is not working and there is not any stock camera in this custom ROM, so you have to manually flash the camera. And guys, make sure your battery is at least 60% charged and TWRP recovery is installed. So if you haven't installed the TWRP recovery, so watch my video, link is in description. And guys, now power off your device. My power button has broken, so I am using this tool. And guys, now you have to go to your TWRP recovery. So to boot into TWRP recovery, hold the volume up key, the home key and the power key at the same time like I am holding. And guys, keep holding until you see the boot logo. As the boot logo is here, then guys leave all the keys and guys wait. So I am booted into my TWRP recovery. And guys, before installing any custom ROM, make sure to backup your previous ROM. So watch my video, link is in description, how you can backup your ROM in case of any break, so you can restore your ROM. And guys, now hit on the wipe button and go to advanced. And guys, now check the Dalvik cache, system data and the cache. And guys, do not check the internal storage, it will remove your all storage. And guys, do not check the internal storage. And guys, now swipe right to continue, so it will take about 1 minute. And guys, now click on the home button and guys go to install. So here is your internal storage. That's why I said do not clear your internal storage. And guys, now click on the Lineage OS 16 zip file and guys swipe right to install. So it will take about 5 to 10 minutes. So guys, keep watching. So it has been installed. And guys, now click on the back button and hit on the OpenGF zip file. And guys, swipe right to install. And here you have to again wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Now guys, hit on the reboot system button and guys click on the do not install button. And guys, the boot up will take about 5 to 10 minutes, so here you have to wait again. So guys, my system has been booted, so I am in the setup wizard, so let me complete it first. So guys, now you are on fresh Android 9 or Android P onto your S3 new smartphone. So if you find this video helpful, so hit on the like button and subscribe my channel. And guys, make sure to click on the bell icon to never miss any video. And guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, I am on Android 9 or Android P. So guys, thanks for watching.